Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your device supports custom DNS and selecting the filtering engine. Install the chosen software on a small server or Raspberry Pi and set a static IP or DHCP reservation. Once done, configure upstream resolvers and basic block lists so the filter will take effect immediately. Make sure to enable logging and a web UI for quick checks. This first step gets your DNS client live and ready to accept queries from your network devices. Now you refine behavior by importing block lists and creating precise whitelist exceptions. This reduces false positives. Configure forwarding rules and enable DNS over HTTPS or DNS over TLS for privacy. Conditional forwarding helps local hostname resolution. Next, change your router DHCP DNS to the filter IP so all devices auto-use your filter, or set static DNS on critical devices. Monitor query rates and hit rates to spot misconfigurations, and iteratively tune lists until blocking is effective without breaking essential services. To finish, test resolution with DIG or ENS-lookup from multiple clients and watch live query logs to ensure expected blocks occur. If a site breaks, add a whitelist entry and flush DNS caches on clients. Make sure conditional forwards aren't conflicting. Enable automatic list updates and scheduled backups to keep protections current. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing resolves, verify DHCP or router DNS settings, point to your filter, and temporarily disable firewall rules that might block do/do/t or DNS port 53 traffic.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.